My name is Yolanda Patrice Jones, and I am the director of the Florida A&M University College of Law Library. Well, Virgil Hawkins is a vitally important figure in Florida civil rights history. His efforts to desegregate graduate education in Florida is why students of African American descent can go to graduate schools and integrated schools in the state of Florida. And also, Virgil Hawkins is the reason why the Florida A&M College of Law exists. Well, the Virgil Hawkins collection is the books, case reporters, statutes, and other materials that were in the original Florida A&M University College of Law Library when it first opened in 1951 until it closed in 1968. How FAMU Law got this important collection is an interesting story in and of itself. When the original law school closed in 1968, the books were transferred in large part to Florida State University's law library. And that's where they remained for many years until 2002, when this new law school was opened. At which point, Florida State offered to give us back the books that were in their library. This process took a number of years. Well, the reason why the collection took so long is because when the books were transferred from Florida A&M to Florida State in 1968, they were not individually labeled or marked, I guess, as being from Florida A&M. And so the books were basically just held and preserved on the shelves along with all of the other Florida State materials. And when they wanted to give us the book back, they had to actually go through and search their stacks and physically examine the books to see which books were ours. And it was a very painstaking process, and we're very glad that they were able to do that. Florida State University, along with the books when they returned them, they provided us with a plaque which we have mounted with the Virgil Hawkins collection on the 4th floor of the library. In 2015, the Law Library here, we did a digital tribute to Virgil Hawkins, which includes a timeline of his life and of his legal battles to desegregate Florida's graduate schools. It also has a link to a video documentary on his life. And then it also finally has samples of some of the books from the Virgil Hawkins collection. Well, I guess in terms of if I wanted to add anything, I would say that the Virgil Hawkins collection is a collection that's frozen in time. It will never be any more up to date than 1968. And there are people who were in the original law school who are still alive today, who have very strong feelings, about the Virgil Hawkins and the Florida A&M University College of Law. And so I just think that this collection stands as a tribute to Virgil Hawkins and to his determination to desegregate graduate education in the state of Florida.